Hi, my name is Dr. Cody Rogers. I'm a physician at a hospital outside Seattle, Washington. And I wanted to spend a little bit of time today talking about infections. And there's some things that we can do to try to decrease our risk of getting an infection. Things that we can do is really try to provide an extra layer or a barrier between us and those viruses. A couple of things, for example, is being able to use like hand sanitizers and using wipe. You'll find a lot of viruses and bacteria is in the bathroom, of course, and that can be a dirty place in public. And so one other thing that we can do there is to try to provide an extra layer of protection between us and those viruses or bacteria is to have something like a new product that would create an isolation between us and everything that has been there for the previous day or two or three. When we are out in public, a lot of times we don't think about the other things that are getting exposed. Things like for a gentleman, when we are sitting down in a public restroom, is our belts often will make contact with the ground below us. People's hats and cell phones. Sometimes men have handbags and briefcases, and there's not always a good place to put those. I was really excited to learn that there's a new product that's being formulated and engineered right now that's designed to really give the everyday consumer, potentially the mother with children or the father with children trying to go into a public place. I've got that with 3 children of my own. It's been a concern in the past of which child do you put where, and just trying to keep them away from anything that might be in there. I think that this is something that can be used by professionals. I think this is something that can be used by people that frequent public restrooms or travel in airports. Just one more thing that we can do to try to distance ourselves from the things that are going to get us sick. I was really excited to hear about this. I think anyone that has the chance to learn more about this new product should really ask questions to try to learn more about this and to see if this is a cost-effective way to try to minimize the exposure, not only for ourselves, but really at a population health level, to try to cut down on some of these viruses infections. Thank you for taking a few minutes today to listen to me talk a little bit about infections. I hope that this has been informative, if nothing else, and is going to help you to make decisions moving forward when it comes to trying to decrease our risk to viruses and other infections. Thank you.